Hey folks, so let's take a look at how we can add Stripe into our Doric website. Okay, now to add a Stripe payment option, you need to add an element. In order to do this, you need to choose the payment button element, and in the payment button element, you need to choose the payment type as buy button. Now, as you can see, something went wrong because Stripe is not connected yet. So we need to give this a button ID and a publishable API key. Let's look at how we can do that from inside Stripe. So for this, go to Stripe, and once you have a new business account, go to payment links and create a payment link from here. Now, once this payment link is created, it's going to look something like this. So go into this payment link, click on buy button, and here you can see a code. You can see the buy button ID, which we will copy. Then we will go back to our Doric website and paste this button ID. Next, we will use the publishable API key, which is just under the buy button ID. We're going to copy this ID and we're going to paste this right here. So as you can see, there is a really nice buy button that we have created using Stripe. Thank you for watching this video.